We are here at IMTEX 2025. We are here with our new product Tachyon Beta, one of the most compact, unique 5-axis drill tap center. In this, we have came with linear motor. Linear motor supports precision and accuracy. It is with 120 meter per minute rapid, and the acceleration is 2G. So acceleration is up to 2G. And we have this time 42 latency, bigger than earlier. And the tool to tool change time is just 0.7 seconds. It is Tachyon Beta. Tachyon Beta is having a linear motor. We call it as a linear genesis. This supports axis rapid rate of 120 meter per minute, and the acceleration is up to 2G. So this is one of the most fastest drill tap center with 0.7 second tool to tool change time, and the floor space is minimum. So you can have a cassettes of Tachyon Beta with minimum floor space. Tachyon 7 with pallet changer, one of the fastest drill tap center with fast moving quick turn pallet changer, which changes just in 5 seconds. The rapid rate is 70, 60, 60. And the unique feature of this machine is you can have hydraulic fixturing on both sides as well as rotary table. This is one of the automation machine DXG 200, where you can have a bearing as well as shaft for turnings. So this is unmanned machine. There is a closed loop gantry system which have a loader and pickup station which will pick up the shaft and load on the chuck. So there is a totally unmanned machine DXG 200, where turning dia is up to 250 and with A26 spindle. ATM 200, it is one of the best machine for diff case machining. Machine is consisting of loading of diff case, gantry will pick it, and there is an inverted spindle with high torque. So there is the unique selling feature of this machine is the gooseneck machining. There is a great synchronization between turret and the spindle. So most crucial operation of gooseneck machining in diff case is possible, and it is the most compact machine. As we are aware that EV business is increasing day by day, so the shaft machining is the most important parameter for EV vehicles. Now we have came with VST, vertical shaft turning VST 160, where you can have the loader of automatic loader for shaft turning. In this machine, we have twin turrets, digital tailstock, and automation. This is a fully loaded machine for vertical shaft turning, and it will encourage the production of electronic vehicle shaft. We are here with BTM 100. It's a blank turning machine with automation. There is a 2 slides. So the unique selling feature of this machine is we can do the simultaneous operation of any kind of blanks, bearing rings, etc. So the productivity of this machine is almost 50% higher than any other turning machine for bearing rings. As we are aware that every automobile company is having a alloy wheel nowadays. So Jyoti has come with new alloy wheel machine, that is AWT22. In this machine, you can have the large variety of alloy wheel machining starting from 10 inch to 22 inch. We offer the customized fixture as per the shape and size of your alloy wheel. It will definitely boost the production of alloy wheel. We are here with next generation HP series HMC machines. This machine is having a higher rapid of 60 meter per minute and the reliable electro spindle which boosts up your productivity. It is having a fastest servo pallet changer and intelligent servo automatic tool changer system, which squeeze the non-cutting time and boost up your productivity much higher. So HMC, it is widely known for tractor industries, pump and valve, oil and gas industries. Here we are having a family of HP 4000, 5000 and HP 6000.